So this is a Carlisle EPDM roof that's being installed today. These are some of the details that's involved in doing a properly installed Carlisle roof. Many of these details most roofers aren't doing, and that's the reason that the roof fails prematurely, are some of these details. We removed this siding so we could put the flat roofing membrane up onto the wall. That's a proper application to make sure that it sheds water properly. So we've removed this siding, set it aside, and we will reinstall this siding once the flat roof is installed. The primer is used to clean the area and make sure that it's ready for a patch or a seal. Any joints that come into a T shape need to have a reinforcement patch on it. So this is a plumbing vent pipe, and it's showing a collar around here, sealed, and it shows the reinforcement patches going around any T joint where two joints come together and create a T shape. These patches are required by the manufacturer to get a full warranty. So there's a reinforcing patch at any transition where the roof transitions into a vertical location. There's reinforcing strips at the wall details, and this is a termination bar. A term bar is what it's called in slang terms. Most roofers will call it that. So there's water cutoff sealant here at the top to make sure that water doesn't go down behind the roofing membrane. And all of these details are according to the manufacturer's specifications. The other thing that we do differently than some roofers is we want to make sure that the roof is watertight every day before we leave the property. So we've got to do additional work that most people may not think of. If we're leaving a section of roof that's old, we've got to make that transition between the new section watertight. So we've got to do additional work, and maybe an hour's worth of work, and maybe 2 hours of work per day to make sure that it's watertight before we leave the property that day. Even if there's 0% chance of rain, we want to make sure that the property owner is protected from leaks. Our goal here and on this property is to have the Carlisle manufacturer come out and inspect this roof after it's installed to make sure all the installation techniques are done properly and give a full warranty on this roof. Now, we can't offer that in some situations on homeowner type situations because there's no flat roofing manufacturer that will warrant a flat roof on a home. But this is a commercial application, and this is a food processing facility, and so we're going after that type of a warranty. It'll be a 15-year or 20-year warranty that includes a no dollar limit warranty. If there's any failure on this roof, there's no dollar limit on the warranty. And that's for the roofing system, and also interior damage and the workmanship errors, installation errors are also covered.